Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and this is the 2 minutes money and personal finance show. Today's question is really interesting. Someone very close called up and asked, my ELSS investment has completed its 3 years. Should I take out the money? Let us understand this one very important distinction between a ELSS lock-in which has a 3 years, which means your money invested is locked in for 3 years, you can't take it out. Having said that, once the 3 years are over, that investment can continue for as long as you want, compared to a 3-year fixed deposit which matures after 3 years, which means it ends, it doesn't earn anything else, anything more for you, no more interest. You have to take the money out or reinvest it for another fixed period. When your fixed deposit matures, you take it out or renew it. When your ELSS lock-in goes away, it's just the lock-in which is going away. Your fund has now become open-ended. You can take it out whenever you want. In this case, in the 3 years, the amount invested was negligible and the appreciation which had happened to that amount was even more negligible. That is why a decision was taken that it would make sense to take this money out. One, because the lock-in was over. Other, because this fund had not performed as well or up to our expectations. If you have invested in an ELSS fund, do not consider the 3-year lock-in as compared to a fixed deposit. It just allows you to withdraw whenever you want after those 3 years. The close-ended option has closed and the fund becomes open-ended for your investment. Take it out if you need the money or if your goal has been reached.